Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss about how we can prevent ourselves from bacteria or microorganisms. We can prevent ourselves from bacteria and other microorganisms in two ways. First one is physical method and second one is a chemical method. In physical method we use physical agents to control the microorganism. Physical agents like steam, dry heat, gas, filtration, and radiations are used to control the bacteria. We use two types of heats to control the bacteria. Moist heat is cause coagulation of protein and kill the microbes, while the dry heat cause breakdown of bacteria. Certain electromagnetic radiations below 300 nanometer are very efficient to kill the microorganisms. While in chemical method we use antiseptic, disinfectant and chemotherapeutic agents for microbial control. If any bacteria or microorganism is present on non-living surface, then we use disinfectant to kill the microorganism or bacteria. While if the microorganism or bacteria is present on the living surface, then we use the process antiseptics to kill the bacteria or microorganisms. While the third one is chemotherapeutics. Chemotherapeutic is used to kill the microorganism or bacteria which is present inside the tissues. Some most important chemical agents used for disinfections are halogen, phenol, hydrogen peroxide, potassium permanganate, alcohol, formaldehyde, etc. With different types of chemical agents are used for disinfection. While we use in chemotherapeutic sulfonamides, tetracycline or penicillin to control the bacteria or microorganism which is present in living cells or living tissues.